doing? Now are you free? Okay, fine. In these days, you have lot of days in your hand. So you should utilize these days, okay? Don't waste your time. If you thought how to utilize these days, you should watch Tamil and English news channels, read newspapers and storybooks and go through your previous class books, okay? Now go to the session. They can drink, they can breathe like us, but they cannot move one place to another place. Okay, students, I repeat again, they can drink, they can breathe like us, but they cannot move one place to another place. Are you guessing? Okay. Have you all seen plants? More number of plants are around us. More number of plants are around us. Like this. More number of plants are around us. Okay. Some plants are small. Some plants are small. Some plants are big. Some plants are big. Some plants are tall. Some plants are tall. Some plants are short. Some plants are small, some plants are big, some plants are tall, some plants are short. Today we are going to discuss about plants. Today we are going to discuss about plants. Students, listen. This is called root system. This part is called shoot system. The plants are divided into two systems, root system and shoot system. Shoot system. Shoot means stem. The stem have leaf, flower, fruit and branches. The stem have leaf, flower, fruit and branches. Okay. Dear students, all living things have food. The food is very important for all living things. Already we know the plant also living things. How does the plant make a food? How does the plant make a food? The plant make a food theirs help. Listen. The root absorb the water. The root absorb the water and minerals. The root absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Are you understand? The root absorb the water and minerals from the earth. The root is always, the root usually grow below the earth. Below the earth. The root grows below the earth. The stem grow above the soil or earth. Okay. The root grow below the soil. The stem grow above the soil. The root absorb the water and minerals from the soil. The leaf absorb the gas. The leaf absorb the gas from the air called carbon dioxide. Already we know the human beings breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. But the plant breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay, the breathe absorb the gas called carbon dioxide from the air. They convert these ingredients into food. They convert these ingredients into food by using the energy from sunlight. By using the energy from sunlight. The root absorb the water and minerals from the soil and the leaf absorb the gas called carbon dioxide from the air. They convert these ingredients into food by using the energy from sunlight. These three things are very important to growth of plants. Sunlight, air and water. Sunlight, air and water. Water. The root absorb the water. The leaves absorb the air and make the food, use the energy from the sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. The sunlight is used to help. The sunlight is used to grow the plant green. The plant green. Students, listen. This is different type of plants. First, listen. This is root system. This is shoot system, stem. This is called branches. This is called branches. This is leaves and this is flower. Okay. But some plants have only root system and stem system, leaf. But they cannot have flowers, have any no flowers. And this is root system, stem system. This have only leaves, different type of leaves. This plant have small leaves. This plant have leaves are larger in size. Okay, students. Dear students, once again I repeat. The root is below the soil. The root always grow into below the soil. The stem grows up into above the soil. The root grow below the soil. The stem grow above the soil. Always human beings breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The plant always breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Okay. And the plants will give more number of things for us, like wood, medicines, vegetables, and fruits. The plant gives us wood, medicine, vegetable, fruits, and etc. Okay. The plants are also will reduce the global warming. Nowadays, our world is affected as more hot, like global warming. The plant will reduce the global warming and make a green world. Okay. Student, are you understand? Now go for the homework. Students, once again listen. The root absorb the water. Already we know the root absorb the water and distribute the all the parts of the plants. The root absorb the water from the soil and distribute all the parts. Okay. Go to the homework. Dear students, this is the homework for you. Answer the following. Dash, dash and dash are important to growth of plants. The plants are breathe in, dash, breathe out, dash. The plant gives us dash, dash and dash. Draw the plant and label the parts. Okay. Dear student, don't waste your time. You should try to talk in English with your friends while you are playing. Okay. And also your family members. Thank you, students. Do the homework and send it to your WhatsApp group. Thank you, students.